Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're doing this video on 2009 Volvo V80. Originally I was asked to swap out the AC compressor on this vehicle. If you guys have worked on this vehicle, the components that are supposedly serviceable are tedious to get to and tedious to change out. So this video in particular is specifically on the alternator of this vehicle. All right, so the alternator itself is a weird setup. Weird in that it's not like a normal setup where it's directly connected to the serpentine belt. And the fact that it's under the intake is not weird. The fact that it's actually seated opposite, like a lot of components are seated in different configurations, and this is seated in a different configuration. It has a pulley that gets extended out so that it gets connected to the serpentine belt. If you guys have done this job, like, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is one of the more difficult alternators to change out. I'm pretty sure it is. I wasn't called out to do the alternator on this job. If you guys want to know where the alternator is, it's right there. Pretty sure you guys gotta take the intake off. You take the intake off, you guys gotta take the air inflow hose off that's connected to the throttle body. To take that off, you need to take the fan off to get to that, because it's a tight space. And then to get to the fan off, you need to get the front end off. I've done a ton of videos on this vehicle. Made sure to do a bunch of videos on this vehicle. Unfortunately, I wasn't there to do the alternator, but you guys see what the alternator is at. When you guys do get to it, if you guys need a video of how to take the serpentine belt off, that's not the hardest thing to do. I know there's a lot of videos out there saying that somebody spent 2 hours actually trying to loosen the tensioner. It's not really that difficult. If you guys watch my video, all you guys need to do is have a long pry bar or a long screwdriver, and it should be kind of rudimentary, not easy, but just not the hardest thing to do. But in any case, that's my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.